Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is August 16th, 2025. I am going to harvest tomatoes. This is our second round of tomato harvest this year. While I am harvesting tomatoes, I will let you know how I grew tomato plants and also I will give you some tips to grow tomatoes. Start from sow seeds to harvest a year worth of tomatoes for your family. There are two varieties of tomatoes. One is determinate tomatoes, another one is indeterminate tomatoes. First, I'm harvesting determinate tomatoes in the first raised bed. Determinate tomatoes ripen at the same time, and once they are all picked up, more fruits will not follow. These tomatoes grow to about 4 feet tall, but still need to be staked for support, especially to protect them from summer thunderstorms. Most sauce tomato varieties are determinate. The entire crop ripens at once, so you can make sauce in large patches. You don't need to prune and remove suckers because determinate tomatoes stop growing on their own. In fact, pruning suckers is a mistake. These determinate tomato plants will ultimately provide less fruit if you remove their suckers. This year, I have started sowing seeds in the indoor in March 28th. After true four leaves came up, I transplanted the seedlings to another medium sized plastic cups. I poured liquid fertilizer contains more nitrogen in every watering week in the indoor to feed the seedlings. After 5 weeks growing indoor, I was hardening the plants by keeping the seedling plants outside 30 minutes to few hours daily for a week when outside temperature was warm before replanting them in the ground outdoor. I harvested 3/4 bucket of tomatoes from the first raised bed. After 6 weeks growing indoor, I replanted the tomato plants outdoor in the raised bed in May 4th. Now I am harvesting the determinant variety tomatoes in the second raised bed. When I was replanting each tomato plant in the raised bed, I put compost, organic all purpose fertilizer, and one egg, and then I poured water. After 4 to 6 weeks later from the replanting date, and when the plants were grown to 8 to 10 inches tall, I put organic all purpose fertilizer and compost 3 to 4 inches thick around the tomato plants, and then I poured water immediately. Monthly once, I sprinkled organic all purpose fertilizer around the tomato plants. I used rich in phosphorus and potassium and less in nitrogen fertilizer to feed the plants. Whenever I sprinkled the fertilizer around the plants, I poured water immediately and daily for 7 days to avoid any heat effect from the fertilizer. I poured water in every 3 days to keep the soil moist. I harvested 3/4 bucket of tomatoes from the second raised bed. Tip number 1: sow seeds indoor in April first week and grow for 8 weeks in the indoor before replanting them in the outdoor. Now I am harvesting indeterminate tomatoes in the third raised bed. Indeterminate tomatoes continue growing, flowering, and producing fruit throughout the growing season until the first fall frost kills the plant. These tomatoes can reach heights up to 12 feet, although 6 feet is typical. They need large, sturdy stakes or caging for support. Prune suckers on indeterminate tomato plants to prevent unmanageable growth. Never pinch out a sucker directly below a blossom because this causes uneven growth and reduces your harvest. Trim back tomato plants with an abundance of leaves so the fruit can get enough sunlight to ripen. Your plants may keep producing fruit late into the season, so watch out the nightly temperatures. If there is any danger of frost, pick up all your tomatoes, even the green ones. You can always set the green tomatoes on a sunny window sill or place them inside brown paper bags to ripen off the vine. So I would suggest you grow both determinate and indeterminate tomatoes based on your usages. Tip number 2. If you sow seeds indoor and grow for 8 weeks, then you need to hardening the plants outside for a week by keeping the seedlings plants outside 30 minutes to few hours daily when outside temperature is warm before replanting them in the ground outdoor. Tip number 3. Replant the tomato plants in the outdoor in June first week since tomato plants are heat loving plants and they need full direct longer daytime sunlight. The outdoor ground soil temperature should be above 60 Fahrenheit and the soil should be loose before replanting the plants. Tip number 4. Pour water regularly to keep the soil moist and not dried out. I harvested a full bucket of tomatoes from the third raised bed. Now I am harvesting the indeterminate variety tomatoes in the fourth raised bed. Tip number 5. Use rich in phosphorus and potassium and less in nitrogen fertilizer to feed the plants monthly once. Whenever you add fertilizer to the plants, pour water immediately and daily for 7 days to avoid any heat effect from the fertilizer. I haven't applied any pesticides to the plants during the growing period since I planted marigold and basils in the raised beds. Tip number 6. Planting marigold trap variety and basils or any other edible small size flowering plants near the tomato plants give better pollination naturally by bees to get more yields and also to prevent getting any disease from insects. Tip number 7. Tomato plants need stakes or caging to support the plants to protect them from heavy wind and thunderstorms. Tip number 8. Harvest ripe tomatoes on time so that the baby tomatoes will get full energy from the plants to mature faster. I harvested half bucket of tomatoes from the fourth raised bed. Overall, we got about 90 pounds of tomatoes from our second round of tomato harvest. I am so happy about the tomato harvest this year. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Gardens channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.